and I'm going to be talking about the use of titanium for bike frames. Generally, we're going to be focusing on grade 9 titanium. This alloy is made up of 94.5% titanium, 3% aluminium, and 2.5% vanadium. You'll generally find this use in higher end, good quality road bikes. And we'll be comparing the use of grade 9 titanium with aluminium 6061. Now, titanium is generally preferred in the biking community due to its high quality and many properties this metal alloy has. Titanium, unlike other alloys, has strong resistance to corrosion, which means it does not rust easily. And another pro that it possesses is that it is extremely light and has a really high strength. These following factors make it an extremely good investment for a long-lasting, strong bike. However, as a process for extracting the material is very hard process, which results in a higher price difference between aluminium and titanium, as you can see below. And another good property that titanium possesses is that it's easily recycled. And the recycled titanium is used in various areas in the world. Now, the corrosive property that titanium possesses is that when the actual metal itself reacts with oxygen, it produces a thin layer of oxide on the outside, and this acts as a highly anti-corrosive property. So in coastal areas where there's a lot of salt in the air, it will further lengthen the use life of the titanium bike frame, whereas aluminium suffers. Now, the material strength and depth focuses on the yield strength and the density being the weight and the strength being the yield strength. So the difference between these two is that titanium has a yield strength of 530 megapascals and aluminium has 276. Now, the yield strength is the amount of stress that the material can take before permanent deformation, and this is just a few more values. The higher, although there's a more difference between the density, the yield strength far outweighs the difference between the density of these two materials. I'm giving it a higher strength to weight ratio. Now, the recycling factor for this material is that it's a highly valuable resource and it's easily recycled without using much energy. And that's a green factor, as it can be reused in many areas, such as like airplane frames, computer parts, and tennis rackets for sporting equipment, etc. Now, just to summarize the points presented, titanium bike frames, the advantages that it possesses is that it has a good strength to weight ratio. It's highly corrosive resistant, and it is an easy and good material to recycle. But bearing in mind the price difference between these two, it's a long-term investment. And thank you very much.